India's consumer revolution, digital influence, and regional variations. The new Indian consumer. With a rapidly growing economy, the Indian market is witnessing an increase in disposable income, especially among the youth and middle class. This shift is leading to a rise in consumerism, with more spending on lifestyle and luxury products. Example: a smartphone brand that gained rapid popularity in India. They tapped into the youth market with high-spec, affordable smartphones, understanding the Indian consumers' desire for value and quality. Digital influence on consumer behavior. The digital era has transformed how consumers interact with brands. The explosion of social media and e-commerce platforms means consumers are now exposed to a global marketplace. Let's not forget the impact of mobile commerce, with smartphones becoming a primary shopping tool. Digital influence on consumer behavior. Example: consider the impact of online shopping events like Flipkart's Big Billion Days and Amazon's Great Indian Festival. These events harness digital influence, offering big discounts and leveraging online marketing to drive massive sales. Regional variations in preferences. India's diversity is reflected in its consumer behavior. Preferences vary widely across regions and cultures, making the market both challenging and exciting for brands. A striking example is the automobile sector. While urban consumers might prefer compact SUVs and sedans equipped with the latest technology, rural consumers often opt for more rugged, durable vehicles suited to varied terrains. The quest for value. Indian consumers are known for seeking value for money. They are price sensitive but also look for quality and durability. Brands that can strike this balance often see success in the market. Moreover, there's a significant brand consciousness among Indian consumers, with brand reputation and trust playing a crucial role in their purchasing decisions. Example: brands like Amul and Tata have thrived by offering quality products at competitive prices. Their broad appeal across various income groups in India highlights their understanding of the Indian consumer's quest for value. Sustainability and ethical consumption. A noteworthy trend is the growing awareness of sustainability and ethical practices. More consumers are making environmentally conscious choices, preferring brands that are eco-friendly and socially responsible. This shift is more pronounced among the younger demographics, who are increasingly advocating for and supporting sustainable and ethical practices in business. Example: take the rise of organic food stores like Organic India and 24 Mantra. These brands cater to a growing segment of Indian consumers who are conscious about health, sustainability, and ethical sourcing of products. Conclusion: the dynamic world of consumer behavior in the Indian market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of marketing and consumer.